Can you believe this came straight out of a printer? Every single part, the petals, the leaves, the stem, and everything. Okay, this plate took about 4 hours. Everything is linked together, so it's super easy to remove. But take your time here. You need to gently peel the brim of each flower one by one, so you don't break anything. This plate took about an hour and a half, and just grab the thick part of the leaf and peel it off gently. Next, the stem took about an hour to print, and as you can see, this plate comes off so clean and easy. Nothing is left behind. This one took about an hour and a half, and it's going to be the soil of the plant. And finally, this pot took a little over 4 hours. And now, we're all set to put it together. Assembly might be easier than the print itself. Soil first, then the stems. Put the large leaves in first, then add the smaller ones on each side. Let's connect the 3 stem pieces to build it up. This way, we can make the flowers bloom one by one. Just a quick slide and you're good to go. It looks good, but something is missing. So I searched for a reference to see how close I got. And I noticed that the rear ones all have a bit of color in the center. So here comes the yellow powder and this liquid. And I'm gonna mix them well with a brush. It's like a shimmering golden yellow. What I'm gonna do here is a few tiny taps right below the center to add some detail. I need some pink for the next one. This magenta, it's going to bring these flowers to life. So I'm gonna add some color around the yellow center. It's okay if it blends a little bit with the yellow. And I'm gonna make sure to paint the back as well. Same process here for the rest of the petals. That's why you're gonna need a tiny detail brush. So just repeat this for all the flowers. It takes some patience. I'm gonna add here one last touch of yellow to highlight the middle. And for those wondering what I used a shadow palette and clear gel nail polish. Same as in one of my previous videos. Anyway, let's put the finished flowers in the UV LED lamp and let them cure for about 2 minutes. They look perfect. So I'm gonna put everything back together on the stem. As it's coming together, it definitely looks better than before. And there you go. The best part, I never have to water it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.